takže máme tady nejkvalitnější vinný střik z celé Itálie, severní planina, Itálii, velmi zelená, demižon, počkejte.
Ne. Situace tady v těch dvou chatkách je velmi...
Tato situace se nám vymyká úplně kontrole, kámo.
Looking for the people of big city, but they don't go crazy when I'm thinking of my boogie.
Super. Ještě lepší.
Leave me when I come.
To vždycky zvolený zpíváme, no.
Počkej, úplně ty texty doma.
Já to taky nechám, ale ty si jdou taky úplně čekám. Hej, fakt to není prdel, přestaňte řvát. Hej, Barry.
Bruce Willis, Bruce Willis, Bruce Willis,
Fuck
man, Bruce
Nesmí mě, nesmí mě.
Baloteleň.
Luky, jdeme. Luky, máš Darwinův syndrom.
Tak běžte na tu flašu.
Ty máš na tapetě Adama, seš teplej, kámo. Hej, šlechto, vole.
Jo, vole.
Šlechto, máš moji čepici, kurva.
Normálně držte huby do píče.
Miky, vole.
Co je ti italský, kurva.
To je si čurák, Denny. Rozkopu ti hlavu.
Ty buzerante, zase jsi to nedal, Tome, zase jsi to nedal, vole. Tome, co mi k tomu řekneš, jak jsi to zase posral?
Ne, vole, žádný nedávky, hej.
Tome, máš malý péro.
Steve, pojď sem, Steve, jsi buzná, vole.
Luky, sežeň si holku, seš úplně tragické.
Adam, smrdíš ty kundo.
Tvoje péro se nudí, vole, vyhoň si ho, prosím tě, ty vole. Jak ty děláš? Steve? Ještě někdo řekl, že jsi buzna?
Skoro každý.
Hej Petře, ty zmrde.
Štrýt si to nedává a Rejža ani trochu, vole.
Ok, já mám zapít, jste všichni zmrdí, vole.
Mám hlatek si. Co tady vzájemně? Rozhodně tady.
Libový pici, nejlibovější pici. A mám dort, vole. Čau by to jako chalku až tebe doručení na plášť.
A nejvíc jsme se nažrali.
Ale jsme se rikundo.
Kámo, jsem na dovolení a vůbec nevím, kde mám kepu, vole. Co je to kurva za dovolenou? Bruce Willis.
Ne, vole, ty jsi sedni. Nekřič, vole.
Aďo.
Fucking Bruce Willis.
Dobrý, vole. Zas klídem. Ne, to už je druhá sloka, vole. Jsem na to, vole. O to jedno, vole. Musíme být tady. A mít to...
Co? Všechno pod kontrolou.
Jo. Hej, a máte nějaký flašky tady.
Jo, jaký flašky tu máme?
Tím pádem, kurva, si to...
Si co?
Má někdo nějaký brýle třeba?
Nemám, kámo.
Dobrý, tak
Ale máme je u sebe na pokoji.
Ne,
Jestli chceš,
vole.
tak můžem tam skočit.
já
Já
nejsem
na
teď.
co brejle, vole?
Ne, ale bychom si viděli do očí, vole.
Jasně, vole.
Teď to prostě musíme být jasný, vole, žádný křivdy, vole.
Nebo od začátku,
Nebo
vole.
nějaký jiný lidi, vole.
Hej, zahraj nějakou pohodičku.
Mama was queen of the mambo, Papa was king of the Congo. Deep down in the jungle, I started banging my first bongo. Every monkey like to be in my place instead of me, 'cause I'm the king of bongo, baby, I'm the king of bongo bong. I went to the big town where there is a lot of sound. From the jungle to the city, looking for a bigger crown. So I play my boogie for the people of big city, but they don't go crazy when I'm banging on my boogie. I'm the
King of the bongo, king of the bongo,
hear me when I come, baby.
king of the bongo.
Kámo, sorry, já
Co bude, až nebude PSH? Co bude, až nebude rap? Co bude, až nebude kapela? Co bude, až nebude rap? Co bude, až nebude PSH? Co bude, až nebude rap? Co bude, až nebude kapela?
Oškevo.
Kámo, cítil ten něčím borec.
Čombo?
Hroznej.
Jo, tak mám, vole.
Jediný Ačák úplně.
Jo,
pojedu se zbytkem ročníku. Seru na Ačko.
Cítil si to nejíst, ale
Ne, a Mickey, vole, nemáš za to Mickey.
já jsem docela nenávistný člověk.
Ne.
Si to klidně pustil.
Don't hate, vole.
Je to debil, má libovou kepu.
A to máme za to.
A či je ta kepa o 1982. Jsem malej imo a ty seš velká hvězda.
Dejte nám chlast.
A teď když chceme volat, tak nemůžeme nic najít, to je úplně typické.
Pa 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 pa. There is no one like me. There is no one like me.
Chitty
Like
bang.
me. Take a second look and you'll see.
And we pretty much
There is
amazing.
no one like me.
Yeah.
There is no one like
Mind your
me.
manners. You hear me?
There is no one like me.
And all the people should be raising their glasses. Flow crazy, celebrating the madness. I never thought I would deliver no classics. Then I hooked up with them and they delivered more classics. I've been keeping it true. Hotel good, long as I can peep on the view. Like, damn, how high are we? You gotta gamble in this life, Charles Bar. I'm overprotected, do the dopest of methods. Now my vocal perfected. This is audio breakfast, yes. So tell a hater here's a slammer. I know they hating on us, but mind your manners.
Take a second look and you'll see.
You'll see,
There is no one like me.
like me,
There is no one like me.
like me, la 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 la, like me.
You better reconsider.
Consider,
You will never do better.
do better,
There is no one like me.
like me. There's no one like me. See, this is etiquette right here. You know what I'm saying?
There is no one like me.
Mind your manners. So say la la la, I arrive will lie. Black eyed I am, I surprise will lie. And I can't rely on another guy. I was caterpillar into a butterfly. I'm living in the moment, why won't you go and own it? And we don't got the spirits, at least.
If you can't dance, you need to kill yourself. Hollywood. Go through the alley at the gate and make a right. But be slick, cause Cat's been looking for this party all night. But this ain't your average party, we got bouncers watching feet. So if you chillin' on the wall, they gon' throw you in the street. So feel the beat, move your body, man, I best be seeing sweat. Stanton warriors are spinning and they ripping up the set. We ain't got time for all you corny suckers trying to play the wall. So the bouncers in the party, y'all gon' probably crack your jaws. So get up.
Get up, get up, get off my back. Get up, let me lick you.
knocking them out. The police are gonna come and they'll be chalking them out. And I'll be up in the party fucking rocking it out. And if they come up in the party trying to question everybody, sorry officer, we don't know what you're talking about. So they just give it up and let it go. Somebody turn up the stereo. We need to hop and sit up very low. I need to be crowd surfing Carrie Joe to the front of the stage so I can get up on the mic to spit these stupid dumb fresh rhymes that make these people wanna write it. So get it up.
Get up, get up, get off my back. Get up, let me lick it back. Get up, give me I hear you back. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, get off my back. Get up, let me lick it back. Get up, give me I hear you back. Get up, get up.
She was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, so she ran away in her sleep.